Okay. Good day. I am from Globalace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I received your data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. I can.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm I'm healthy, ma'am.
Okay, you are healthy. But if you are unhealthy, better stay in the Philippines, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
Yes, no problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Nilian M. Sanchez, 29 years old from Pampanga. I have two kids, 10 years old and 8 years old. I have local experience in household cleaning um, and cooking here in Philippines.
Okay, so Neil, I need to know some few more details from you first. Do you have passport?
Yes, ma'am, I have already.
Okay, are you single with live-in partner or single parent or married?
Single parent po.
Single parent, you don't have any boyfriend and whatsoever?
Boyfriend lang po.
Boyfriend you have.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so your boyfriend will not get along with your way, right?
Yes.
So he won't be a problem later, is it? He allow
No,
you to
ma'am.
come and work here.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you. When is your birthday?
My birthday is June 23, 1995 po.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'1" and my weight is 62 kg.
What is your religion?
I'm Catholic.
What about your educational background?
Undergrad po ng college.
Senior high school, is it?
No,
Senior
way
and
back.
college is quite different, right?
No, ma'am.
So you're a college
When
level, undergrad of a college. In what
yes,
course?
tourism.
Tourism. Okay, so you mentioned that you got two kids, which is 10 and 8 years old. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My brother and her wife po.
What about your parents? Where is your parents?
My mother is in Hong Kong.
Okay, so why you didn't go to Hong Kong? Why you didn't choose
I
to come here in Malaysia instead?
um I don't want in Hong Kong, ma'am, because we we are not good. My mom
Oh,
and my
you're not in good
I
terms with your mother. Okay, so what is your brother occupation and your sister occupation and how old is your brother?
my brother is 30 years old.
Okay, so what is his occupation?
We have business po, own
Okay,
business.
so how many brother and sister do you have and what is your rank in your family?
We have an I we only two po. I am the youngest.
Oh, you're the youngest. So in your data and as what you have told me earlier that you have your working experience as a housemate, in which place in the Philippines is this?
Angeles, Pampanga, ma'am.
Angeles. Okay, so can you share it with me? What are your duties to your to your employer right now?
I'm doing cooking, washing clothes, taking care of children, cleaning, and also um, ironing.
How old are those children that you take care?
9 and 6 years old.
9 and 6 years old. Okay, so this is your first time working abroad, right? You need to get ready yourself. You need to embrace yourself, okay? Because being a
Yes,
domestic helper is very tough one. This is not an easy job that you could easily go back home once you give up, okay? You will going to
yes,
sign a 2 years contract. If there is any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching of contract, you know that there will be a
yes, ma'am.
consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay? Usage of mobile handphone, you are not
Yes, ma'am.
allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold it during nighttime after you finish your job. And then you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work, okay? You are
Yes, ma'am.
entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. And if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
As I have mentioned many times, we don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you disagree, better stay in the Philippines. Don't come to other countries if you don't want to follow the rules and regulations. But if you agree, that it's okay. We just wanted to be specific in our initial interview that you understand and you agree all these terms. We don't want to have such a problem later, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So how do you fight your homesickness later?
Um, I will focus on my work, ma'am, and I will pray. And then after that, I will call my family after my work.
Okay. So are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
I can, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, I can.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am. I can cook. I'm specializing in Filipino food po.
Okay. So can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes.
Okay. Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you want a better future for your family or for your children. Okay. You need to
Yes.
respect and follow the rules and regulations of the employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Respect the culture of the employer. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer, okay? In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much
Thank
and
you.
have a good day. Bye.